In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a board in Miro. If you've accidentally deleted a board or you're trying to bring back work that disappeared, the place to start is Miro's trash. That's where recently deleted boards from your team live for a limited time, depending on your plan and settings. I'll show you exactly where to find it and what to expect when you get there. First, head to Miro.com and open your dashboard. This is the home base where all your teams and boards live. Give the page a moment to load fully so the navigation menus appear, especially if you're switching networks or working in a private browser window. Next, look to the top right of the screen and click the profile icon. It's a small avatar that opens a menu with account and team options. This menu is important because it includes links that are specific to your current team space. If you belong to multiple teams, keep in mind that what you see here applies to the team you're currently in. From that menu, click Trash. This opens a page that lists boards that were deleted from this team. You'll typically see board titles and other basic info that helps you recognize the right file. If something isn't showing up, double check that you're viewing the correct team, because the trash is team specific and deletions in one team won't appear in another. Here's the crucial part. Restoring deleted boards in Miro requires an upgrade. On the free plan, you can view the trash and confirm that a board exists there, but the restore action itself is locked behind paid plans. In other words, the trash is where recovery happens, but the ability to click restore only becomes available once your plan supports it. If you do upgrade, the restore control appears on the same trash page next to the board you want to bring back, and recovery is completed from there. Until then, think of trash as a holding area that confirms your board is still retained by Miro, even if you can't immediately reinstate it. Availability windows, permission levels, and team policies can affect how long items remain in trash and who can restore them, so timing and role matter. To recap, go to Miro.com, open your dashboard, click your profile icon in the top right, then choose Trash to locate deleted boards. Remember that actually restoring a board is a paid feature. Once your plan supports it, the restore option appears right in that trash view, making recovery straightforward. That's it for finding and recovering deleted boards in Miro. If this helped, keep these steps handy so you can quickly check trash whenever something goes missing.